Always set tools in the easiest spot, but never in the right spot. So 10 minutes from now, you go looking for it in the right spot, but it's in the wrong spot. So no, right now we're just getting fitment right on here to where we want to clear the radiator line, we want to clear the motor mount, and we still want to make sure we're coming out flat right here. Safety first. So what we're doing there is taking the outside burr off, and then we take a barrel sleeve or a hand file, depending on what you've got. This is what I run. And then we're just going to knock that inside out. Because later on, this is going to be aluminum. All of these 90s are going to get pulled out with actual aluminum. So yeah, all we got to do is tack this up to right here. Since this is a coupler, we can push it up to our maximum point, which is right when it starts to turn 90. If you go anything past that, and now you're going to interfere with the airflow. And once that's set, then it's just measured from here to right where it goes flat. Put in a piece with 2 bevels on each end, or I should say the lift points, where the clamp can actually lock behind it so your coupler doesn't blow off. And then weld this whole thing up and she's good to go. And then when I go and weld this, I'm going to end up pulling this off because there's a rubber ring on the inside. And with aluminum, it gets so hot throughout the whole metal, it'll end up melting this ring, causing a leak if it's not addressed, which then is just problems. So to take 5 minutes, pull it off, saves a whole lot of trouble down the line. And I've already had it too, where I go to do stuff and it's like, yeah man, it's only gonna take an hour. Good instance is that Civic out there. Yeah, no, swap out the brakes to your car because I'm doing a disc conversion. Should only take a couple hours. 11 hours later.
No, thanks.
Minutes?
Yeah, about
2 minutes of work, 18 minutes of break.
This is dope, dude.
What, the haggard ass bullshit?
Yeah, but I like how it comes up.
I like how you come up.
Ain't nothing else like it, dude.
injector wise.
Basically these truck injectors come with these. And then harness injectors are down there. So you just cut, solder all your own wires in, dude. Like a pro.
Sure.
Yeah, so what he's trying to say is you just peel wires back, and you just twist them together, and then you just leave them bare.
So they short out, and it's like, what's wrong?
Yeah. And then it leaves a nice problem for the next guy, but it's just weight reduction. No, we don't look at that.
I can cut it, don't worry.
Nah, fucking put it in there. Put it in there with me saying, nah, don't look at that.
free. Paid, free.
15 bucks an hour, 35 bucks an hour.
Team Defiant. Is that good?
It's perfect.
Did I got ketchup on my face?
Even if you did, it's perfect.
I was just eating some meat. I had meat in my bun.
Are you gonna make this gay every week? I mean,
There's an oil filter. He almost got me with it.
Is that a CarQuest oil filter?
Hell yeah, dude. It's my break-in oil filter. It's not just any CarQuest filter, though. It's a CarQuest Red.
Team Defiant. Y'all need to stop staying up till like. Alright, so we got stock block B16, steel I-beam rods, cast pistons, 10-to-1 compression, stock cams, dual valve springs, Ferrera 6000 valves, the GT3582R on 1000cc injectors, Hunter tune. It's making 415 to the wheels right now.
Beautiful car. Beautiful.
Thank you, dude.
I've made 19 grand and spent it all on my car, and it's not done.
I've made $40,000.